Hello and welcome back to my videos. In this video I will present the code behind the password manager graphic user interface I showed you in the last video. So let's start with this module login and register. In this module we have some functions, some global variables, some frames. Okay, now let's see them. We have a sign up function. This sign up function is assigned to the submit button and the sign up frame. So basically what this function does is verify if the fields are not empty, and if are empty, a message box shows up. Okay, after it connects to the database and inserts into database all the entries, with username, mail, and password. Next is clear sign up. This clears the fields in the sign up form. Login user is the function that is used on the submit button. Uh, most Almost like submit and sign up, but this time it doesn't add data into table, just verifies if the data is there. From username entry and password entry. And if the data is in the table, we continue with changing the frame. Okay, and successfully logged in message and clear login function defined here. Okay, next is forgot password function, which uh, opens a new window with that frame. Okay, so forgot password, this frame. Also on this gadgets on the frame. Yes. Next function is change password. Okay, change password. This is the function assigned to this update password button. Okay, which essentially changes first, gets the data from the table where that email we introduce, then update there. Next, after you press the button, the window will shut down. Okay, log out. This is used after you log in. Yeah. Okay, this button, log out. App details uh, function displays a list box login on a list box. Displays on a list box login details for the selected app in the combo box. Next, app list returns a list of all application names for a specific user ID. Yeah. This user ID is a global variable that is changed every time we press login. So login is taking this ID from database and is putting it in this variable. Okay, like we see here, based on global user ID, we take a list. Yes. Okay. Random path generator. This is a function that is used on the random button. Okay, random button in here. Yes, if we had a new app, we have a random button. If we if we update, we also have a random button. A remove app. This uses another module. Okay, password manager module. In that we have a class and we have a method for that class. I will present you a little bit later. Okay, add new app frame. This opens a new window for adding a new application login into database. This one, okay, this. Okay, some gadgets on that on that frame. Next is register app, new app, which is a function that it is used by this save button. When I press save, this function is called. Okay, and all that info is stored into database. Okay, update details window. This is the update window. In this window, we have also a random button function, which updates, which uh, is every time we press that random, first the entry is clear, then the entry will in the entry will be inserted a random password. Okay, update details, update application login info into database. Okay, this function raises the desired frame. Yes, every time we usually after in login function or logout function button. Okay, it is used and the desired frame is raised. Firstly, so here says the the more, how do I put it? It's where the graphic user interface starts. Until now, there were some windows and some functions that we use mainly for buttons. Okay, so we have first we have frame login. When we run the program, we have a global variable. So sign up page frame starts here. Yes, have username, email, password, and confirm password as variables. So this these variables are used in as text variables in the gadgets. Okay, if we look on the entry, okay, we see that the text variable username. If we look on the email, text variable email, and so on. So here are the gadgets, um, pretty complex gadgets for a tech inter. So here is an image used. On that image we have a text label, another image. We have also an entry and so on. So here we have a login page frame. As, just as on sign up we have two variables that are used as text variables. in the entry gadget, we see switch to sign up button here. Here we just call the frame, sign up frame. That easy, and so on and so on. Lots of gadgets. Now, on the password manager module, we have defined the class with properties app name, username, password, and email. Yes, this is the app info we store on the database. We have a method for the class, yes, save password, in which we connect to the database and we insert the the desired information. Okay. We also have remove app, on which we need an existing app name and a user ID. Yes. User ID is generally that global. It changes every time we log in. So you can remove an app after you're logged in. Before that, you cannot. Okay, empty app table. This is used only locally here when I want to delete every information from app table, all the information. Get app list returns a list of app names from database for a specific user ID. So update details, it is used on that update button. It changes some info. Okay, that's all. I hope you liked my app. See you soon.